Transferring personal data to the USA, what the GDPR allows. Hi everyone, and welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're diving into a hot topic, sending personal data from the EU to the United States. Can EU companies do it? Yes, but only under certain conditions. Let's break it down. What changed in 2023? On July 10th, 2023, the European Commission made a big decision. It officially approved the EU-U.S. data privacy framework. This means that U.S. companies that sign up to this framework are considered safe places to send personal data, just like if they were in the EU. What is the EU-U.S. data privacy framework? Think of it like a VIP list. U.S. companies that join the framework promise to follow strict privacy rules that match the protections under the GDPR. If a company is on the list, EU organizations can send them personal data without extra paperwork. So, for example, you're a fashion retailer in Spain using a US email service. That service provider is certified under the data privacy framework. You're allowed to send customer data there, legally. How do you know if a US company is certified? Easy. There's an official list managed by the US Department of Commerce before transferring any data. Check if the company is certified under the framework. If they are, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to rely on other safeguards, like standard contractual clauses. What if the company is not on the list? Let's say your EU company wants to work with a US analytics provider that's not certified. In that case, the transfer isn't covered by the framework. You'll need to use Article 46 tools, like EU model clauses, to keep the transfer legal and secure. Why this matters? Before this new decision, EU to US data transfers were risky. Previous agreements like Privacy Shield had been struck down by the courts. The 2023 Data Privacy Framework adds new protections like independent oversight and a redress system to rebuild trust and make transfers possible again, putting it all together. So, can you transfer personal data to the US? Yes, if the company is certified under the EU-U.S. data privacy framework. Otherwise, you'll need to use approved legal tools. Always check before transferring, because GDPR rules still apply. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we help you stay up to date with the latest in data protection. Visit ctglobal.my.